Alrighty then. Alright. Sup, how's it going, chat? As always, drop me an emoji if you can hear me. How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So first of all, as always, thanks Bybit for sponsoring this live video. This is where I trade all of the big boys. Then shout out to MixC, where I'm trading and buying all of those smaller cap coins. And let's jump straight into our charts. That's it. Quick and short intro. How's it going? How's it going? Yeah. Drop me some emojis. I want to hear you. I want to hear you. I want to see you. All right. Zam, Money Hustler, as always. You there? All right. So as you already know, I'm trying to record every single step that Bitcoin is taking. And Bitcoin, just like 5, 10, 15 minutes ago, almost reached $94,000. Of course, we got rejected. We didn't reach that accurate, like $94,000. We got rejected. And of course, this whole scenario, if you remember my previous live video, that we're going to see some kind of retracement till this gap that everybody was talking about, didn't play out. Did not play out, but we'll see. Maybe it will play out in the future, because if there's going to be some kind of rejection, I mean a pullback or a retracement, this is the place where I'm seeing a probability to see, I know Bitcoin price is going to settle at around here, but this is not my point. This is, Bitcoin is actually doing nothing in my eyes right now. So I want to talk about a few interesting topics. I want to talk about Ethereum, and if you saw my post on Twitter, I compared a previous rally, XRP Ripple rally, to see, I don't know, to see maybe a probability to see exactly the same thing as we saw in a bull rally 2020, 2021. So that's going to be an interesting chart. So we're going to discuss about that. Of course, I will try to answer all of your questions. Again, this gap. All right. Yeah, I know, Dave, but still, those gaps is, I'm not going to tell you that it could play out, but I mean, we still have to keep our eyes on, because there's a data. So we have to keep our eyes on everything. All right. So I'm seeing that the people are joining our live stream. How's it going? How's it going? For those who just joined, just drop me some emojis. I'm good. I'm good. NMR. I'm good. How about yourself? So yeah, whatever, guys. I mean, for those who gonna join, they always can like rewatch this live video on my live video section on YouTube. So first of all, yeah, Bitcoin is actually doing nothing in my opinion right now. Still, we are, I'm sure that will play out, of course. Another question is, yeah. The question is when. I mean, still gonna keep my eyes on this one. If we're gonna see some kind of crash, so these are the levels where I would like to open my buy long position. What if we're gonna see some kind of major crash or whatever? This is not my point. This video is all about, because the Bitcoin is doing nothing, in my opinion. Again, I'm gonna repeat myself. So I want to talk about Ethereum. Yeah, the most interesting one, right? All right, drop me some emojis if you believe in Ethereum, because I'm a heavy Ethereum investor. So I still do believe that Ethereum can do well during this, I don't know, bull rally 2024, 2025. All right. Well, yeah, just bear with me. Dave, be patient. Be patient. Yeah, so while the Bitcoin is doing nothing, so I'm gonna keep an eye on the charts, and I'm gonna talk about what is going on with Ethereum. Ethereum rejected as expected on this mid-range, and right now we got rejected. But I want to talk about, not based on all the fundamental or some kind of technical analysis. Yeah, maybe a little bit, but everybody's saying that Ethereum is dead. Everybody's saying like Ethereum is dead. I know that majority of people, like 99% of people, are always wrong. If everybody's screaming that, oh my god, Polkadot is dead, so like, no, I'm gonna use this like some kind of reverse psychology into some kind of bullish movements. So if Ethereum, look, here's an interesting one. If Ethereum right now sits at around 3.1, it was like at around 3.2, 3.3K, this price, in my opinion, is very healthy, and it's like a solid price, over like $3,000. Let's take a look on Ethereum against Bitcoin charts. It looks terrible. It looks terrible. Everything is just going down. So if the Ethereum keeps that solid and healthy price, 3.2, 3.3, 3.1K, and Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum. Ethereum against Bitcoin looks like, I mean, I don't want to use bad words, but I mean, it looks terrible again. So isn't that mean when Ethereum against Bitcoin gonna found its bottom, doesn't mean that Ethereum is gonna like a skyrocket? So these are my thoughts on Ethereum, that the Ethereum against Bitcoin charts are going down, but Ethereum price remains solid, healthy, in my opinion. Of course, this is not financial advice. Do your research. You love Ethereum, Fairy, I'm not gonna say your last name out loud, all right? So, all right. So yeah, you love Ethereum, I love Ethereum, a lot of people love Ethereum. Of course, this is like a second major coin, and I do believe that Ethereum could do pretty well during this bull rally. But again, Ethereum against Bitcoin, it looks terrible. But Ethereum price in general looks solid and healthy. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3K. So isn't that mean that Ethereum, this is like my opinion again, isn't that mean that Ethereum is gonna, if it's gonna found its bottom, like around here, we found our bottom. Ethereum against Bitcoin just skyrocketed. Of course, Ethereum based on against Bitcoin, I don't know if you're gonna use like 550 and 200 EMA, everything is like crossing the death cross on a weekly time frame. It looks completely, it's like a disaster. So for me to close my spot position in a solid profit with my Ethereum, I just need this whole thing, this whole charts, Ethereum against Bitcoin, to retest this, let's just say 250 EMA, this resistance zone. And I do believe that Ethereum in that case will reach like $3.8, $4,000. So this is my opinion I wanted to share with you guys during this live video. Again, this is going to be an interesting one. You're gonna laugh, believe me, you're gonna laugh about this one. Remember when I did my technical analysis and I posted on my Twitter? Of course, guys, there's a link down below. Go follow me on Twitter. This is gonna be crazy. I mean, I'm just trying to compare the previous rally with potential this one. So we're just, bear with me, we're on the weekly time frame. We're gonna stay on the weekly time frame. Where is my again, I'm not bearish, I'm not bullish, but what if these charts is for the Ethereum, I mean for the XRP Ripple army? Who's here that been holding XRP? I'm just gonna quickly remove this. Who's been holding XRP Ripple since, I don't know, since 2020, after this crash, after like this whole bear market move, this depressing time when we were consolidate and squeezing inside this symmetrical triangle pattern? So drop me emojis. I want to see how many of you guys are on this live video, I mean on this live stream, how many of you guys were invested in an XRP and you're still holding like a diamond hands forever. Come on, guys, just drop me some emojis if you even have a little, I mean, just if you have some of the Ethereum. All right, I mean, at what price you sold your XRP? I'm just interested. I mean, and when, at what? I mean, if you don't want to say, that's fine. We're just here to talk about charts. From 32 cents, Zam boy, 32 cents, that is around here. So you made, if we're talking about this type of movement, so you made a decent, wow, 3x, nothing. Where it's just like 4x, nothing. All right, Money Hustler, you have nothing. You have nothing, so you have nothing to lose. All right, so I'm just gonna try to compare the, you still have, all right, that's fine. So I'm gonna compare the previous rally with this one. I was like thinking after this clean breakout to the upside, of course, we have to see some kind of retracement in my opinion. So I was like thinking that maybe XRP can right now go inside this gap and then swing us all the way to the upside. All the way to the upside and like send the price even higher, because the whole market, I mean, market sentiments like Trump, SEC, I mean, the Gary Gensler, if you know what I'm talking about, if you know, you know, everything is like bullish. The whole market sentiments are super bullish right now. And the XRP army is like coming out of the bridge because they lived in some kind of caves right now. And the XRP army is still alive. They're still alive. And after this clean breakout, all I'm seeing that, yeah, maybe there's a probability to see a movement to the downside. Maybe to find a demand zone, this whole on the weekly time frame, of course, on the weekly time frame. I'm going to analyze everything on the weekly time frame. Hold on, Dave. Hold on, Dave. Just bear with me. I'm going to try to answer all of your questions after I'm going to finish my thoughts. So, look, after experiencing the same, just like big candle, big green candle during the 2020 bull rally, we experience, of course, crash. We cannot deny that there's like a fact after every single rally, there's a movement to the downside. Boom, movement to the downside, massive rally, boom, crash, massive rally, boom, crash. So XRP is really choppy. But what I want to say is that after this massive movement, of course, the crash, it looks like similar, if I'm gonna try to use this as an educational guess, this gap. So if I'm gonna use this again, let's just say bars pattern tool, of course I'm going to use it like this. It looks like similar probable type of movement on XRP. So that's what I was like, this whole today I was trying to analyze and try to see and compare the previous rally with this one right now, because yeah, oh my god, because everybody was saying that XRP is dead. Even me, I was like a bearish, like I was like 60% bullish, I mean 60% bearish, 40% bullish on XRP. How can you not be bearish when this whole project is facing a lawsuit, right? So I was bearish because the market sentiments were bearish, but right now we switch from the bearish into a bullish one. And what the future will bring us, I have no idea. I only can analyze the charts. The whole market sentiments are bullish. Right now we switch from the bearish into a bullish market structure. So yeah, maybe some kind of movement to the upside, a retracements. And I do believe that after this type of movement, if we were not going to experience a crash like we did during this, if you remember back in the days when I was talking about this ascending triangle pattern, after this massive movement, boom, to the upside, we were loading big or long positions and then retested the top of this descending trend line. Of course, at that moment, we didn't know that this is like a exact descending trend line. We just only connected all the dots at around here, and we'll like try to navigate everything based on this symmetrical triangle pattern. So after this movement to the upside, boom, instant crash. So maybe we're gonna see exactly the same thing happen right now, because look, after every single pump on the weekly time frame, XRP is just like experiencing a crashes. So, but if we're gonna experience that crash, or let's just say retracement, I do believe that we're gonna find a support or like just a demand zone. And then if the market sentiments will remain bullish, nothing crazy is gonna go in the world, then there's a probability to see even a higher price on XRP, on Ripple. And the whole XRP army is gonna laugh at us that we were like non-believers in this project. which is crazy. So 99% of people, when they're saying that this project is completely dead, guys, all I want to say is that charts never lie. Of course, if you gonna go on my Twitter, on my X, you're gonna see that we were trying to navigate ourselves based on this symmetrical triangle pattern, and I was telling you guys that we're all the movements gonna be like all the way to the upside after a clean breakout. So those were my thoughts. Those were my thoughts on XRP. Of course, I haven't even touched that XRP. I didn't trade it. I didn't like invest in this one. How can you be bullish when everything, I mean, the market sentiments are bearish? So I cannot be bullish when the project is facing a lawsuit. But right now, after we have a Mr. Trump that controls this whole bullish narrative, so maybe there's going to be an interesting time, an interesting rally for XRP. Maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. Again, not financial advice. I'm just sharing my thoughts. And that's pretty much it. 99% of people are always wrong. And I was at those 99%. Of course, that was not in our control. That was like different factors, if you know what I mean. Why XRP went, why everyone was on XRP bearish. Also, just bear with me. I want to share this thing about ADA. Do you remember my video, that long one on YouTube, 55 minutes, for those who had patience to watch it? Of course, not that perfect market structure. I mean, not that perfect breakout, when I was telling you guys that after a clean breakout, we can experience a movement to the upside. And even the big, this whole live stream is all about that 99% people are always wrong. I mean, well, most of the time. Everybody was screaming that Polkadot, Cardano, ADA, well, I'm going to use these two as an example, are always, I mean, those projects are dead. Again, charts never lie. And every one of you, I mean, not specifically you, were making fun of me that I was like bullish on DOT, and on ADA I wasn't like super bullish on ADA. I just like to read the charts, and I was telling you guys that there is a probability to see a movement to the upside, and that's what happened. Of course, a shake-offs and some volatility, like my stop losses were, if you know, were triggered. But again, if you were re-entered this position, like, look at this movement to the upside. Even the big influencers, big names were like, oh no, Cardano's dead, Cardano's dead. Charts never lie. Don't trust those, I don't know, what word should I use? Don't trust those people. Don't trust any of them. Don't trust me. Always read the charts and always have your own opinion. So that's what I wanted to say. Of course, Polkadot. Just bear with me. Polkadot. Where's that beautiful? Where's that beautiful? Where's the Polkadot? Oh, here it is. All right. Polkadot is dead. It will never recover. Maybe. We don't know that. But after this clean breakout, of course, fake outs, blah, 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 blah. The more touches we have, the more confirmation we have. This whole beautiful, not that perfect, but this whole falling wedge pattern play out. And the price increased by almost, let's just say, 50%. So what the future will bring us, I have no idea. Of course, this whole ascending triangle pattern has been formed like on most of those altcoins that we were discussing in the live videos. The Polkadot went up by 50%. So you cannot say that those projects are dead, because where the attention goes, money flows. Right now, the attention goes into a Bitcoin. The Bitcoin dominance is going like nuts all the way to the upside. We're hoping to see that money flow go into Ethereum. But right now, all I'm seeing, hold on a second. Hold on, Money Hustler. All I want to see that it seems that we're skipping that phase when after the Bitcoin that, all right, let's just take an example. BTC, then those all altcoins, and then let's just say this is like a meme coins, all right? Those three categories. Of course, there is more than three categories, but let's just imagine this. So the Bitcoin, yeah, where the attention goes, money flows. So the Bitcoin, after Bitcoin, the money is going into those top altcoins and of course Ethereum. Then it goes straight to the, I don't know, low cap coins, and then in meme coins. It seems that after this massive rally to the Bitcoin dominance is going like insane to the upside, we skipped this phase, and I cannot see a solid rally on those altcoins. Of course, maybe this time will be different. Maybe we're gonna see later those money flows coming into those altcoins, but right now all I can see that the meme coins are like, everybody's like super bullish on the meme coins. Maybe I need to jump on a few meme coins with, I don't know, like a couple $1,000, that's it, and live stream how I'm gonna lose all of my money. But we'll see. Well, it depends on you. If you want to see it, I'll try to do it. So comment down below in this live stream chat if you want to see me losing, I don't know, a couple grand on the meme coins, because I have no idea how to how to analyze them. Of course, yeah, the market, I mean, let's just say 50, 100 million market caps, and yeah, let's just try to hunt some, I don't know, cat coins, dog coins. So we'll see. Maybe I'll do it, maybe I won't. But yeah, with the leverage, if you know what I'm doing, if you know what are you doing, and you understand this, so you can make the same amount of money that you can make on those meme coins, on those, I don't know, buy long positions on the altcoins. So these are my thoughts. That first, you cannot say that those projects are dead. Always try to read the charts. Always try to read the charts. Look again on XRP. Where the hell is that? Where the hell is XRP? All right, look on the XRP. Everybody was like, oh my god, no, wow, my god, XRP is dead. Boom. It melted our faces. Like, XRP was like, take that, haters. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, chat. So these are the crazy times. Bitcoin is like right now, like not like consolidating on the daily time frame, but still doing, in my opinion, absolutely nothing. No massive pumps, no massive dumps. So I am expecting to see some action on those altcoins. All right. So what do we have? ZAM, XRP, Solana, LTC are the safest investment. You don't know that. You don't know that if this is the safest investment or not. All right. But of course, if you're going to continue to buy those for the next 10 years, well, yeah, if this is your plan, just do it. Stick to your plan. Stick to your plan. If you understand what you're doing, just stick to your plan. I got a lot of heat. I had some few negative, let's just see, comments on my short video on YouTube that I shared with you guys, that there's always a good idea to secure a profits. Everybody was like, I don't know, you can go and see those few comments. What the hell? What is going on? I mean, I just shared that there is always a good idea to secure gains, and everybody was like, "Oh my god, if I'm like, I don't know, I predicted and I'm aiming for $170,000 per Bitcoin price, and I'm not gonna listen to this influencer." Good, bro. This video is not about this. This video is about that always a good idea to secure gains. So if you're watching this live stream, hey, bro. I'm sorry I offended you, right, with my short form video. All right. As you speak, Bitcoin retesting now. All right. Oh, we have a crash. We have a crash. Oh my god. Well, we have a crash. You are lying piece of. No, we are not. No, we are not. We have some, or maybe. It's just like on those big amounts, there's just like $2,000-$3,000, just like a pennies. So there's not. Maybe you're right. What are my top meme coins? My top meme coins. Can you say right now at this moment that Shiba and Dogecoin is a meme coin? If so, those two coins were my one of the top coins, because I analyze, I predict those movements back during the summer. So right now I have like zero, maybe a Pepe coin, maybe a Pepe coin, but we'll see, because the Pepe coin has massive community and everybody is using that meme on Twitter. So still bullish, yeah, bullish on the meme coin, because everybody was like, I remember back in 2017 and 2018 when everybody was saying that majority of those coins are doing absolutely nothing, and the Dogecoin, Shiba coins, this coin, shit coins are going to go to zero. But they didn't understand that those coins has a community behind those projects. So if there's a community, a strong community, so I'm bullish on that one. The same story what happened during the COVID with the GameStop stock. The community pushed the price towards the upside. On Dogecoin and Shiba, more technical analysis, where right now, after those coins are pumped, after my previous technical analysis. All right, let's jump on Doge. Just bear with me, my loyal comrades. Where's the Dogecoin? Right now I'm super messed. Shiba Dogecoin. Let's just start with the Dogecoin. I have to turn on my monitor. Flip my monitor upside. Like 90 degrees to see this whole rally. We were at around here when I told you guys that there is a good probability to buy or to start building your buy long positions on Dogecoin. And I don't want to repeat that. There's this whole scenario were discussed in my previous live videos. Of course, you asked me to analyze this right now because you probably invested at around here. This is my guess. And or maybe at around here because you want me to say something bullish for you to be more confident. But I'm going to say, I don't know. After this rally, all I'm expecting some kind of retracements. I can only use if this are, of course you don't see this, but if this is our swing low and this is our swing high, maybe there's a probability to see a retracement at around this golden zone. I don't know, because I have no idea. This coin can go parabolically up, or we can see a retracement. 50-50 right now. So I would love to see pullback for me to start building my long position or to make another decision. So all right, what else? Of course, Shiba. There's nothing to talk about Shiba because it did exactly the same as Dogecoin. Of course, Dogecoin went all the way to the even more outperformed Shiba because of the Elon Musk, and you know the whole story behind this. So the Shiba is still good levels of building your buy long position, but we'll see. This is a very wide gap, so my stop losses, this fair value gap or a demand zone right now, that was our resistance, right now it's our support. There's a very wide support for me to put my stop losses below. I don't know, I have no idea. I have zero opinion. I was like here, and that's pretty much it right now. I want to see a pullback. Some kind of market needs to form something for me, like here we form a consolidation, or let's just see a bull flag, some kind of bull flag, and then push the price all the way to the upside. So I'd love to see something like that on a Shiba coin. Of course, I see red. Oh my god, everything is red. Ethereum, don't be red. I need to see Ethereum at $4,000. I don't care. I'm gonna mirror with this coin since, I don't know, 2030. Why Bitcoin didn't retest lower level? Bitcoin at 100 means 1.9 trillion in market cap. Will another move up from now will kill the alts? It's a good question, and if the Bitcoin is gonna experience a pullback, and we've seen this in the past, when the Bitcoin is experiencing a pullback, a majority of those altcoins were at their bottoms. So the pullback was not that big of a deal. So we'll see. I have no idea how those alts will correlate with the Bitcoin if we're gonna see a pullback, but I don't believe. But in general, if the Bitcoin is moving like 5%, alts move like 20-30%. So it's just like everything perfectly correlates, because right now some of those alts are still like beautiful. Of course, shake off, but still CRV looks great. Polkadot I want this little thing, this little boop boop that has a limited supply. It has a limited supply. So I want to see this coin fly because it has limited supply. What is like 14 or 18 million coins, or what was like limited supply? I invested because it has limited supply. That's it. So I would love to see that movement. This green line represents, if we're gonna flip, we're gonna break this descending trend on, I believe, on the weekly time frame. So I'm keeping my eyes on QNT Quant. So this project looks like nothing, absolutely nothing right now. So we'll see what the future will bring us. Got a big leverage position on Shiba with massive plus. I want to add more. Oh my god, I can smell FOMO. I can smell FOMO. Secure gains, bro. Secure gains. Look at the charts. I can see, yes, there might be some sort of pullbacks. We'll see. We'll see. This whole live stream was about that my opinion is right now that the Bitcoin is doing absolutely nothing. Well, it's like not that big pump. No pumps, no dumps. I mean, no massive pumps, no dumps. All I'm just sharing with you guys that XRP has a probability to move to the upside like it did back in... Oh my god, again, I'm gonna search for XRP again. What a loser. All right. So we were talking about XRP and some altcoins. And my main thought on this live stream that, as always, 99% of people are always wrong, and always look at the charts, look at what the charts are telling you, and make a rational decision based on charts on the bigger time frames. I showed you numerous of times that bigger time frames in crypto market to use, it is the best, I mean, good idea to use big time frames. Yeah, well, not that flat, but yeah, technically Bitcoin is doing absolutely nothing. So it's flat or not, like moving from $90,000 to $93,000. So we'll see how long it will last. Maybe we have a window for our altcoins to start flying. But of course, I'm focusing more right now on Ethereum against Bitcoin, because I saw that a lot of people are talking trash right now. Oh my god, Ethereum is dead. Well, that's the same situation on XRP. XRP is dead. Oh my god, XRP is dead. Boom. Just melted all of your faces. I'm gonna repeat that. So we'll see. You cannot say that this is dead, because Ethereum has a purpose. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency. How can it be dead? I don't believe that. All right, what else? What else do we have in the chat? Drop me some emojis. Drop me some emojis. Give me some love. You have to support this. You have to support what I'm doing for me to create more of those live streams. From this end, nothing still have. I'm holding. Right. Is in October. Is the end of the bullish market. All right, 2025. My thoughts are, well, comparing with the previous bull rally. So yeah, we peaked at around like New Year's, something like that. So maybe it could happen. But nah, I don't believe that. There's like plenty of those altcoins that didn't show us their full potential. So maybe we have like what? 1.5 months. So we have to buckle up. We have to put into a work. And guys, we have to put in the work during this last month till the New Year's, till the end of this new year, like 2024, we're gonna 2025. So we have to put in work, and we have to buckle up, because maybe we're gonna see massive movements. We're gonna see the full potential of those altcoins, because altcoins did absolutely nothing. The majority of them did absolutely nothing. XRP at 1.6, hopefully soon. If it can break 1.222, 100 billion XRP tokens would be wonderful. All right. In my opinion, Ethereum could go to 4K by the end of this year. Great. Thank you. I have another friend who has a hope. No. NMR. No, not right now. All right. What else? One of your first whale group members from Italy, if you remember me. Force pattern of law for life. Alrighty. Hey. Alessandro, oh, from Italy. Oh my god, a bambino italiano. All right, shout out to you, bro. Technical analysis on the Bitcoin dominance. Okay, let's just take a quick. I mean, we've been on this live stream 35, almost 35 minutes. I don't want to make that long, like 1 hour. I don't want to make that long. All right, where's the Bitcoin dominance? Bitcoin dominance. All right. Alrighty then. Money Hustler, if you're talking about the Pepe trade, because I posted there were just only technical analysis. I don't share those accurate entry points where I'm gonna place my long buy position. What if the price is gonna do this? I'm gonna do this. If the price is gonna do that, I'm gonna do that. If I posted my technical analysis, this is just like educational guess, guys. So this is on you. You have to make your decision. This is just technical analysis. Support, resistance, supply, demand, those pretty accurate, I mean, eye-catching levels. They're not wrong, but I mean, for you to make a decision where to buy and where to sell, this is your job. Yeah, you are the best. Oh, thank you. All right, so okay, that's important. That's important for me that you understand this. All right, so the Bitcoin dominance. Don't mind that. I mean, yeah, the rising wedge pattern, it has 86% rate, blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to delete that. So still, we're squeezing inside this rising wedge pattern. We're still squeezing inside this rising wedge pattern, and I seeing nothing near a breakdown. Maybe we're going to flip above this right now. We're going to maybe flip above this. Let's just say, I don't know how to resistance zone, and maybe we're gonna go even higher. I have no clue. Of course, everyone is keeping their eyes on this rising wedge pattern, so they're expecting a breakdown to the downside. We'll see, because for me this rising wedge pattern it's very looks like an arrow, not like a rising wedge pattern, but it looks like an arrow. It's not even like pattern, some kind of channel, I would say that. All right, so let's just imagine this is the channel, not. Oh, all right, levels are more accurate. Alrighty then. Okay, well, perfectly. We respected the mid-range. I don't want to go on the daily time frame, maybe on the 5-day Bitcoin dominance. We're analyzing Bitcoin dominance. I'm waiting for. I got stuff. you got your stop losses in order, and you're good. All right. So we're right now not in a rising wedge pattern, but I can see that this ascending channel is a little bit more accurate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches. We respect this mid range. Maybe right now there's a time to see some kind of pullback, because if we're gonna flip right now above this, I mean, the price, this whole percentage of the Bitcoin dominance is gonna go even higher. So I have no idea where this whole thing is gonna settle, and we're gonna see that altcoin rally. When? So maybe we're gonna see we're gonna experience a rejection. Maybe still we're gonna respect this mid-range like we did here, and then break down to the upside. This is a good window to see this whole pullback. This is a good window to see those altcoins starting to fly. But yeah, the full breakdown through this channel would be, I'm just going to use this second simulated channel as an educational guess. I'm going to share it later on my Twitter, all right? On my X. Sorry, Elon. X. So yeah, but if we also going to break this, we're doing this together. How lovely. Me and the chat are doing some technical analysis together. Yeah, this mid-range was respected beautifully. Look, just take a look. Don't mind that volatile candles. Beautiful. I'm gonna trust my technical analysis. I just shared that rising wedge pattern because everybody was doing it. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna put it as well. Doesn't really work. Let's say no, it works. It works, but we're trying. It's super choppy for us to analyze. This is not like, I don't know, Ethereum, Bitcoin charts. It's a little bit more complicated. But if the Bitcoin dominance is going to go up, so yeah, the Bitcoin price is outperforming and everything is going to go up. Like Bitcoin is going to go up. So, but we need to see that the Bitcoin dominance is going down, so the altcoins start flying. So it is for us a little bit more complicated to analyze than analyzing simple coins or like forex, whatever. Doesn't matter. So it's a little bit more complicated in my opinion. But this ascending channel looks pretty accurate. I can navigate myself. Why is it accurate? Because it respected mid-range, 1, 2, 3, 4, multiple touches. So maybe we can see finally rejection and to get like a third or fourth, fifth touch on the bottom. So this whole window on the Bitcoin dominance will be perfect for our altcoins. This is my opinion. Perfect. What else? Well, why my channel is deleting everything in 24 hours? Because why not? Everything is stored on Twitter, on X, so follow me there. Because you have to show up every single day like I do, and you have 24 hours. You have 24 hours to see what is going on. So it's more than enough, bro. It's more than enough. You took a short on the Bitcoin 5-minute time frame. Let's take a look. I'm interested in this one. I'm not gonna say my opinion about this one. I just want to see because I don't want to mess with your head. Oh. Well, maybe we're gonna, yeah. So yeah, maybe, bro. I'm not gonna show my opinion because if you're bearish, you took on a 5-minute time frame, you took a short. Stick to your short, stick to your plan. This is your plan. With the rising wedge on the Bitcoin dominance, let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I switch from the rising wedge pattern to a ascending channel. It's more accurate in my eyes. Oh my god, Ethereum is like, oh my god. No, we respected this golden zone, and right now, well, if Ethereum is gonna get rejected harder, I mean, the seller is gonna push the price aggressively. So maybe we're gonna see a retest at around 2.7, 2.8. We'll see. Or at around here, the second golden zones from the swing highs and the swing lows. So we'll see. But I'm still gonna try to build my long position. I'm definitely gonna share this with you guys. But yeah, in general, let's just say Bitcoin got rejected by almost reaching 20. Sorry, did I say 20? Am I what, crazy? $94,000. $94,000. Of course, our road to our sweet $100,000 still continues. So right, I'm just gonna take a look what is up, what is going on in the chat, and please about Mavia, follow me on X, guys. Follow me on X. I'm gonna see, and I'm gonna take a look at your comments, and I'll do all the technical analysis, because after analyzing hundreds of coins, sometimes I need you to assist me and drop me some ideas to take a look what is going on with those coins if I haven't even touched them. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. All I just wanted to share that and record that Bitcoin almost reached $94,000. Sorry for that. I'm super sleepy right now. Then what else? XRP melted all of our faces. So all I'm gonna say is that always try to read the charts. Always read the charts. Don't listen to those naysayers. Always try to read the charts. So, because charts never lies. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. And peace out.